Alright, today I want to talk about these 3-speed RC engines, Thomas and friends. Somebody posted a message on my YouTube page claiming that I understand, but so I'm just trying to explain what I'm thinking. Some people say that this wagon right here already lost the steam or smoke clouds right here on this wagon, and that this train somebody swapped the top, or I'm gonna say shell, because I say shell. It's a shell. So I'm trying to find the answer if this is a real train or was modified, because if it was modified, it wasn't modified by me. Alright, first of all, if you notice, this engine has like a glitter paint, just like Gordon, the 3-speed Gordon or the 3-speed James. Probably you can notice right there. And that other one, apparently it's like in the comment, like somebody swapped it, but it was not swapped. So I'm gonna try to prove, or try to find the answer to that engine. Okay, here's the first thing. Here is the original shell that was installed on this train. Let's see if steam along engine will fit in there. I don't think so, because the first thing is it does not have the slope or the hole right here for the switch. Okay, so it's not from a steam engine, steam alone. How about the talking Thomas? It's not either that shell, because if you notice right here, this shell has a screw, a hole for the screw. So it is not a shell from a talking Thomas. Let's go to the next one. Now we have just a regular remote control Thomas that might fit. It might fit in that on that chassis. But here's the thing: if you see the cowl, this is short and a little wide, and this one is thin and long. It goes from one end to the other end. So definitely is not neither this shell. The shell from the RC Thomas. And there is no way to get that shell where to you just unscrew it. So it's not, definitely this is not the shell for that train. Okay, how about the other flip face Thomas? It is impossible for the flip face Thomas to fit on this chassis, because where you gonna put the face? It's not make no sense. Anyways, so this one is not for that train. So now I have this 2009 Thomas that looks like my fit on that engine, on the 3-speed. But if you take a look right over here, the slot, it's short, the original one, and this is too long. But anyways, we're gonna try. Let's see. Okay, Oh, even if we try, there is no room for the cord, because this is not working. So one more, I have another one. This is a little different, but the cord is painted on the shell. There is not actually a piece that you can remove, and there is no way this will fit on it. And I have another one right here. It's the same problem. It will not fit in there. So I think this is the original and rarest train I have seen. I have sold 3 of these and never noticed that this was rare item. I'm pretty sure this was a kind of prototype, and this was the final result. So if you guys think that there's another shell we can test on this, let me know, and I will look into my trains and see if one of those fits, because so far I have seen, let me see, phase changing Thomas, remote control, and remote control regular Thomas, steam along Thomas, 2009 regular Thomas, and I don't think neither this 3-phase Thomas will work, because there's no place for the switch. And the other one right here, this is just a regular RC Thomas that I modified, but it doesn't work. So I think we are looking at rarest Thomas right over here, because it's a 3-speed engine and not printed smoke, no printed steam or smoke clouds on the side like this one right here. So I'm sure you guys saw the video. We're gonna show it again, a little test right here, that this is a real train, operating train. So if you look on the remote on the bottom part, the serial number right here, I'm not sure if it's a serial number or a part number, because they look a little different. Like I say, they might be a part of different sets, or they are the same set, or these are a serial number. So anyways, both might work on the same remote, but I already tried it and there is a glitch. So this one right here, here's the remote for that train. Looks like this one is faster than this. Now we're gonna set the remote apart. I'm gonna turn on the next remote. See the glitch right there? This remote is not working with both engines because I think there is a radio waving signal that is interfering in both trains. But if I turn off one train, this remote is not working with that train. Definitely not working properly. So I'm assuming this remote for this set. Now let's see the other remote.